record speaks for itself. All of those issues were previously put on the record. There's no need for you to make any commentary about it.
You did work with his father though, right?
Mr. Brooks, stop. If you interrupt me again, you're going to risk going into the other courtroom. I'm not going to have you degrade the integrity of these proceedings.
I'm not attempting to cause a controversy. I just wanted to know that
by once again trying to derail what's happening and take
you
the
always
focus
talk
off of
about somebody trying to derail something as if that was the plan, like somebody coming here
Brooks,
to derail something.
I'm advising you to be quiet or I will clear this courtroom, and under Illinois versus Allen, you will lose your right to be present while the remainder of these individuals give their statements.
Okay, well, come on with it.
Once they start, I expect you to be
quiet.
Come
on with it, because that's what you've been waiting to do the whole time.
Piece of shit. Listen up and listen what she has to say.
All right.
God damn.
Sir, you're going to have to be removed. I'm sorry. I can't tolerate that from anyone. Mr. Brooks, my admonishment to you is the next person's going to get up and they're going to start their statement. And
okay, yeah, but you made it seem like I'm trying to purposely interrupt that.
Mr. Brooks?
And I don't think that's fair to do that.
Please be quiet.
Okay. Yeah, I still have the First Amendment right to be heard and to speak. I still have that right.
Mr. Brooks, this is a sentencing hearing.
I don't care what it is. You're not going to continue.
He is arguing with me. He is now forfeiting.
You're not going to continue. You're not going to continue.
Why he's moved to the next courtroom, and I'll make the appropriate findings when I'm able to do that.
So can I get a finding of fact? Can I get a legal finding of fact? Because I don't agree to it. Stop it.
He calls and lies to his mom, right? Get me an Uber. I can't get into it. He lies to the officers repeatedly. We saw the time of his arrest. We heard the testimony from Daniel Ryder, a good man with good intentions and a good heart who took this murderer into his home and held him there long enough for the police to come and take him away without any knowledge whatsoever of what had gone on. He takes advantage of everyone. He's extremely manipulative. He absolutely thinks he's in control of everything, when in fact, as he sits here in custody, he's in control of nothing except for his own behavior.
Mr. Brooks, be quiet.
I'm not going to sit here and be disrespected.
Mr. Brooks, be quiet.
I'm not going to sit here and be disrespected.
These are sentencing arguments and they can make them.
So I could do the same thing?
Mr. Brooks, there's nothing disrespectful. They're doing it in a
respectful way.
Yes, it is.
Okay, call me out of my name again.
Go ahead, Attorney Opper.
Judge, these are the facts. You heard from so many of these parents and so many of the people that were there of that fight or flight, right, that kicked in. He ran. He fled. He tried to protect his own self. That's it. He's the epitome of evil. He is evil in person.
Courtroom, please.
No, you may not.
The community is good.
Order
The people are good.
I think it'd be
The
best for me to
victims
just go
are
into the
good.
other
Mr.
courtroom.
Brooks, I'm talking.
I don't care about you talking.
I don't care what you care about.
I know you don't.
Sit down and be quiet.
Nah.
Everybody has told you that.
Nah. See, you got it all wrong, Miss Opper.
Judge, the community has spoken. This jury returned a verdict in 2 hours. That's how open and shut this case was.
Well, actually, it was